Same song.
No, they're just like her.
I love Kevin's voice.
Check.
Check.
I don't know why. I just went NLT.
You don't have one.
NLT.
You have lip gloss?
Yeah, it's on
It's JJ's on it. He's nice and tall. Like I like him. He has glitter.
I like everything about Carlos.
Me too.
Why you gotta judge me?
It's not nice, huh?
Oh. Oh my god, I'm gonna come out in these videos all saying stupid random
shit.
shit.
You are
Oh
saying
wow, oh wow. I'll cut out the good part. Chris is a cutie. That's ignoring me.
Turn around.
Turn around. Show us your hair.
Show me your face.
Let me see your face. Let me get your number. Carlos, can I have your number? Not the same now one, but the real one.
Look, I even got my phone out.
Oh, big shit! Get a paper. Where's my pen? I mean Sharpie.
Just give me your phone and I'll put it in for you.
Let me see your phone. And you guys need to go on Kite more.
Yeah,
Hey,
that's
you don't have
not
Sharpie?
enough.
Throw it on.
That's what I'm doing. You don't have
With the
Okay, he wants to know what polka is. You guys want to like...
It's a deal in Spanish. It's an insider. It's an insider. You said it to us. We were on like really late on Kite. Remember? You and Chris were repeating each other. He was like, what's
What the
polka?
polka
And then
is
you're like, what the polka is polka? Polka this, polka that. I have the screenshots. I'll send them to you.
I need you. Kevin, turn around, please, so I can send this to Christy.
Carlos, don't forget to come over here. Just keep on walking. Keep on walking. Just keep on walking, Carlos. This way.
Walk this way.
I'm so down to throw a sheet of paper at them.
What?
I'm so down to throw a sheet of paper at them.
Oh my god.
Okay, to turn around.
Dad, you have a piece of paper?
Have some. No, that's too little. That's too little. That's too little.
Oh, somebody got some scissors so he can give me a piece of his hair. No, right here.
It's too little.
Kevin, turn
Todo
around.
esto, though. Does somebody have a piece of paper? Just kidding. I want it. I want it. No, like seriously. I want it. Like seriously.
JJ, Kevin.
Here.
Wait, what is it? What is that? What is it?
It's gum.
It's gum.
Chew it.
I gotta save this in the same spot. There. It's nice and safe.
We gon' make it move.
Move. Jose, remember this?
He doesn't remember.
Yes, he does.
They just say that like, oh.
Girl, I've been checking you out.
He's talking about me.
I can tell you ain't been satisfied in a while. Digging your style, baby.
Carlos, come
So
sit
let's
with me.
let's do a smile. Alright,
Carlos, sing it to me.
you look like you could use that company. I know you got a man. Tell me, baby, what your man gotta do with me, yeah. Listen up, girl. Said I can be a better man. Whoa, need to be over here with me, yeah. Got a man, but he can never be better than me. Extra man, you roll me. I have the feeling like every day's a fantasy. I know you love him, but he can never be better. So what the kids are killing here for me? And I know, baby, but it don't seem like we understand me. That you're
Did you see someone say, I like them? I like them.